going to tell you at that moment good things. When something negative knows what you deserve. There we go. That's a true answer. So what should I do? Seek the forgiveness of Allah. Make peace. When something negative happens to you, the first thing you should do is ask yourself, did I wrong someone? Did I harm someone? Did I steal from someone? Did I do wrong? Did I not fulfill my duty unto Allah? You know, when you come to someone religious and you tell them, look, I suffered this, I suffered that, I suffered whatever, they are going to tell you at that moment good things. To say, you know what, it's okay, make sabr, it's okay, read a bit of Quran, do this, do that, don't worry, it's okay, it's not necessarily a punishment. They are making you happy, but in actual fact they should tell you. Maybe that's not the right moment, but they should tell you. Have you hurt someone? Have you harmed someone? Have you wronged someone? How is your connection with Salah? How is your dress code? How is everything else? You are disconnected totally from Allah and you've been harming the people for the last 20 years. Allah knows what you deserve. There we go. That's a true answer. So what should I do? Seek the forgiveness of Allah. Make peace. When